Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Well, it's time to do some color-specific gardening in honor of it's spring. Things are starting to look great in the nursery. So let's do a series on color-specific plants. So the first one in this series of 7 color videos is purple. Oh, like this beautiful Jacaranda tree. Oh, this is a beautiful tree. If you have a lot of space, really big trees. So this is Jacaranda. This is Pride of Madeira. Oh, just so beautiful. Great for seaside gardens. Ceanothus concha. This is probably the most purple of all the ceanothus shrubs. Really great ones. And some more. Now, I've put labels on almost all of these. There is a list in the video description and the comment section on all of these plants. Oh, here's my favorite purple plant, Mexican bush sage. Great plant. Hummingbirds love this plant. Easy to grow. As you saw in the video I talked about last week. Indigo spires is a newer salvia that I've really fallen in love with. Another great plant. And of course, Cleveland sage, wonderful California native. Great for hummingbirds and all other kinds of birds. A really good plant. Good for slopes too. Russian sage, not a true salvia, but still a beautiful plant. Good for colder areas, and as I'm not going to rattle on every one of these, but these are some really cool little plants. Floss Flower is like a little annual, nice for foreground, should be coming into the nurseries any second. And Scabiosa is a really neat one for hanging baskets and cascading over walls. Hebe is a tiny little shrub, a really kind of small little plant. Bellflower, also known as campanula, a nice little annual, depending on where you live. And of course, another tree that I've done a couple of videos on, the CHASTE tree. Just a wonderful plant. VITEX agnus cast, used for medicinal purposes. The leaves do kind of look like marijuana, but it has these wonderful purple flowers. And butterflies and hummingbirds just love it. It blooms in the summertime. The tree will get about 15 feet tall by about 15 feet wide in good conditions. And again, the foliage is actually kind of fragrant. It's kind of a really neat little plant. So this is again the CHASTE tree, VITEX agnus cast. Back to the regular plants, perennial butterfly bush comes in purples and pinks. Princess flower, nice little shrub actually. And of course the silver leaf princess flower, similar plant but just gorgeous foliage. Oh my goodness, I love that foliage. Eochroma, another very good hummingbird plant, really fun. And there's that Pride of Madeira again, various shades of purple and lilac. And of course lavender, duh, it's purple plant, you got to talk about lavender. French lavender, English lavender, there's also Spanish lavender, fernleaf lavender, another variation on these lavenders because, you know, of course the word is lavender. And as you can obviously guess, there are quite a few roses out there. Burgundy iceberg is kind of purple. I know it's stretching it, but I stuck it in the purple category because it's closer to purple than anything else. This is a wonderful shrub, the yesterday, today, and tomorrow. It is actually a shrub, really beautiful. You can see it's called that because it has 3 different shades of purple in it. And of course, dahlias come in all kinds of shades, as you've seen in my dahlia videos. Gladiolus are really great cut flowers. And I love my bearded iris. This is Dracula's Kiss that I got from a client years ago, and it's practically black. And this is a Dutch iris I got from my mom. She gave me a bunch of Dutch irises a few years ago. Really kind of fun. And finally, heliotrope. Now, this is a really cool little plant. Now, heliotropes are a little bit toxic, so don't use them if you have dogs, but they are really nice, little vibrant purple little perennials. Well, that's all the time we have for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.